Hi everyone, this is Sharon. I wanted to show you how to add an event to your group calendar. Now you can add events to either the group calendar, a course calendar, or to your Schoology school calendar. To do so, when you are on the home page of either that group, school page, or course, you have the calendar option right here on this right-hand side. And it's going to show you all of the upcoming stuff you have. There's a little calendar icon that you can click on here to view an entire month. And to the right of that, you have the ability to choose Add Event. So I am going to click on Add Event, and we're going to add a new event to our group calendar here. So here's the Create Event box. You will have the option to say, when is this event taking place? And you have the ability to add an end time as well. So I am going to choose that the event is taking place today. If I wanted to state what time it was taking place at, I could enter a time. Now you'll see as soon as I start to type in numerical numbers, it gives me the time format box here. So here I'll need to adjust. I'm going to have this start at 1 o'clock. To change the rest of the time, I'm going to click on double zeros and I'm going to make this a 30. And if I want to change this to PM, I'm simply going to hit the P key and it will change it to PM for me. Okay. If I wanted to add an end time, so I want to say that this event is going to go from 1:30 to 3:30, I can choose add end time. Now it could be a different date if it's going to span through multiple dates. Otherwise, I'm going to choose the same date, click on the time box, and now I can start to type 03. Again, it's going to give me the time format now, and I'm going to double click on this 0 here to change that to 30. Click on the AM, hit the letter P, and that will change it to PM. I can go ahead and give my event a title. So I am going to call this Testing Calendar Feature. Now down below, I have again this rich text editor box that you see all throughout Schoology. Again, some of these features should look familiar to you because you've seen them in Word, you've seen them in Excel, or maybe your email. Okay, so you have the bold, the italicize, underline, bullet list, number list. Here you can choose a text color. Okay, by selecting the drop down. You also have a background color. So if you wanted to change the background of this box, you could do so. Here's the formatting option. So you could do stripe through, superscript, subscript, okay, or clear formatting if you were copying or pasting this from another program such as Word. You can increase the indent, decrease the indent. You have your align options here. Here you can add a link. You have the ability to insert content, and if I choose that, I've got quite the resource list here to insert content. So I can insert an image if I want to. Again, I have the ability to do link, which is this symbol. You'll see this in multiple places throughout Schoology. I've got it listed here. I have the link option here, and I have the link option down here below. So I can choose either one of those options and attach my link, okay? I've got the symbol, so if I needed to, for example, type in a foreign language, I've got the ability to do that. Do math equations, I've got that. Or add a tooltip, I'm able to do so. You can also access some of the apps that we have embedded here in Schoology. So if you wanted to include a video maybe to your YouTube channel, or that's on your YouTube channel, you could, or a document that's in your Google Drive, you could do that simply by clicking on one of these. I'm just going to click on the YouTube one just to show you an example. This will allow me to search YouTube. And the nice thing is when I do it right here from Schoology, you know how when you look at a YouTube video and you have all of that background stuff to the left and right of the video, I kind of call it garbage and you never know what you're going to see on those side panels. This will take all of that out. So I'm just going to search, for example, the Magic School Bus. It's going to give me a list of options to choose from. I'm going to find the video that I want. We'll say this one right here, and then I have the ability to import. Okay, so I can import as embedded. And if I see this yellow box right here, that means I have been successful. And actually, when we save changes and we would go back in, we would see the actual video there with a play button for us to start playing the video. We also have the ability to insert a table. We have our spell check. We can do paragraph, change our font. But to the far right here, you will see these two little dots, okay? And it says switch to HTML. If I were to click on this bottom dot here, it's going to take me to HTML. Now this is the video, okay? So this is the HTML or the embed code for the video to show. But maybe I wanted to add a Google Maps so that somebody knew how to get to my event. I could do that. So I'm going to quickly show you. I'm going to go to Google Maps really quick. And I'm going to search for the district office. Found our place. There's the district office. And I'm going to say I want to get directions to here. And I'm going to start from West High. Here's West High. I have the ability, if I click on those three little dots, I'll go there again, these three little lines, I have the ability to share or embed a map here. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to choose the embed map option. This gives me this URL details right here. I'm just going to copy that. Then I'm going to go back into my Schoology, and I'm going to space this down a little bit because we have our video showing at the top, and I'm just going to paste this code here. Okay. If I wanted people to RSVP to my event, I could choose only invites can RSVP or anyone can RSVP if it was a public event. And then I can enable comments if I wanted people to post about a question maybe about the event that I'm having. If I'm done, I'm just going to hit Save Changes. Okay, you will see my event here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I want to double check, make sure it looks good. Here is that magic school bus that we embedded. And right below that, you will see the map that we got that embed code for. And it shows them how to get from West High to the district office. Maybe there's a board meeting that you want families to attend, or special event like registration or central registration you want them to know how to get to. Then you could have this map embedded. A family can always click more options, and they could change the address from where they're coming from. So maybe they don't want to know how to get to the district office from West High. Maybe they want to know how to get to it from home. They can change their address. It takes them right to the map. So at least they still have their destination address placed there for them. So it makes it a really interactive feature then for your families. Now, if I want to edit this, all I simply do is click the gear icon to the right, hit edit. And now I can continue to add stuff, change stuff, whatever I choose. But I want to show you here at the bottom, just like when we post an update to our page, we have the ability to attach a file here, a link, add from our resources, or we can also do the audio video recording. And with the audio video recording, again, that will turn on your microphone to your computer, and or if you choose the video option, the webcam to your computer, and you can attach a video. I hope that answers all your questions for adding an event. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel here because I'm not going to make any changes. However, I'm going to go back to the calendar by simply clicking calendar here on my cookie crumbs. And when I do so, it takes me to the full calendar for this group where I can see any events that have been placed. All right, thank you. Have a great day. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact me at 630-301-5042 or stierfelder@sd129.org.